Hi, I'm Chinmayi Hathwar and I'm an ISC Information Science graduate from MBJ College of Engineering in the year 2025. I have joined QSPIDERS in the month of June as an incubation student, and I've been here and I've upskilled myself being a software testing student. And I also have gained my knowledge over CoJava and SQL, and I thank all my faculties for this and for the knowledge they have given me. I have gained confidence in showcasing myself because of the skills that I have gained here, and also I thank all my faculties for making me eligible enough to be a part of a company, and I've been placed in this company. And coming to the requirements, I have also been added to two more requirements which were here. So this is my third requirement, and I'm very happy to be placed the third requirement itself. And thank you.